job.
I appreciate that.
Yeah.
So I clean your floors, then you referred me to your daughter's house, and now I'm back at your house.
I gotta get these floors cleaned. I said, well, let me tell you who to call. You don't want to call anybody else. Just call them. And it's been.
Did you see? But you see how unique those floors are.
are.
I've never seen that type of floor.
Well, that's what we were wondering. What is that?
I don't know. I don't know what type of floor that was, but it's a very. It looked like it was almost like a site finish hand scrape floor because the patterns were so unique. They say the same thing. So we don't know if we should love it or hate it.
Right. And you know they had some issues with that house.
Yeah, but that's a big old house. What's the house
Tell me
like?
about it. Tell me about it.
Yeah.
It's huge.
It's huge.
He said, LT said, no, it's about the size of yours. I said, LT,
yeah.
that house makes, my house can go in that house.
Yes.
I got lost when I went in it. I didn't know where to, it's huge.
That's a big house.
But
Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Monday, the beginning of the second week of May. We are out here in the Marietta, East Cobb area. This is a repeat client, Miss Rosa Lee. I came out here a year ago cleaning both her wood floors. She had the floors refinished she told me about 6-7 years ago. And she's an older lady. She said, Courtney, I just don't have time to be trying to clean these floors by myself. And also, too, she said, I think the maids, my cleaner lady, don't really do a good, thorough job. So I must have did a good job, guys, because she has me back a year later doing the exact same service of clean and buffing. And the clean and buffing, again, it is the service where your floors are in good condition, but you just want to keep them clean at a professional level. And I do recommend that service at least once a year. So anyway, guys, after this, we got another small project to do, a screen and recoat in Brookhaven. Got some jobs came in. Actually, I had a wax remover come in today. We're going to be doing that job Friday. Got 4 in-home consultations tomorrow. So anyway, guys, let me flip this around. So it was raining on the way here. Got a lot of rain coming in. It was raining yesterday. I actually just got back from New York yesterday. Just went out there for the weekend. I always have a great time in New York. So what we're going to be doing here, guys, is just, again, a simple clean and buff. Stopped by and got some products this morning from TCS. All right, guys, so this is Miss Rosa Lee's floors. I was out here a year ago, and
Has it been a year?
Yeah, hey, no, you're good, Miss Rosa Lee.
You're good. Is it only been a year? It's been longer than a year.
It's been about a year.
No, it's been longer than a year because we redid this.
You did? Wow, because you didn't have that there last time.
No.
Wow, look at that.
All of this.
And all that over there had to be redone.
Yep.
You know, they had to redo it because of this.
Yep.
So I didn't want to deal with that.
Okay.
So like all of this here.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I don't know about that. Can you clean
Yeah,
that?
yes, ma'am. We clean that. Yeah. Yes, we can.
It's been sealed.
Okay.
And all this.
Okay.
So we're in here.
Yes, ma'am.
All this hallway.
Let's go. Let's go.
The bathroom.
The bathroom. I remember.
All
Yeah.
down here.
Okay.
Because this was a mess.
Yep.
Hold on. All there and then this. Because I ain't moving.
The last time I was here, I think you had some painting or something going on.
Oh, I'm always got something.
Yeah, I see.
I always have something going on.
Yes, ma'am.
It's just, but it got really dirty from the construction.
Yep.
And then Christmas, and then my daughter had a baby, had been gone for 5 weeks to Dallas. I just got back. That's why I put you off till May.
Okay.
I just wanted to get them.
Yeah,
And I was kind of trying to wait until the pollen left.
There you go.
So that's it.
All
You know,
right.
and then, you know.
All right, guys, we're going to get started. done with Miss Mary Lee's wood floors. And again, guys, if you look at her floors, this is a perfect candidate for a clean and buffing. A clean and buffing is really just good for a floor that's already maintained. The floor has good finish on it. And the client just wants to keep it clean at a professional level. Remember, the experience, the knowledge, the chemistry, and the techniques that we have and we know, you just can't do that with a DIY. And this is why a lot of people destroy their floors, because they try to do it themselves. And when they don't understand what they're really doing, they can use the wrong products. They can hurt the floors, hurt the finish. They use the wrong techniques that can also cause damage to the floors. So if you look at her floors, guys, this floor is a perfect floor. And this is her second time using us for this service. And also she referred us to her daughter and her son-in-law that moved into this humongous, like 10,000 square foot home. It was almost like 7,000 square feet of wood floor clean and buffing. And we cleaned and buffed those floors before they moved in. All right, guys, I'm gonna call back some leads that came in over the weekend for wood floor services. I also just had another lead come in that was referred to me. She needs a certain part of the home sanded and UV cured. So I'm gonna have my guy Aaron sand it, and then we're gonna UV cure it. And we're gonna go ahead to another small project, a screen and recoat in Brookhaven. We're not far away, like 25 minutes. All right, guys, see you in the next one.